Hello, 30th of June, 2022, and I have Rochelle Walker with Joy Centers in Washington State with me. This is Daniel from the Longview, Washington area, and we both are involved with the iNetwork, which is the marketing arm of a company called Prife International. And Prife has the genuine iTeraCare therapy devices, as well as a negative ion pendant for sale in the USA. So to reach Rochelle or Daniel Parsons, depending on who you want to work with to buy a device, you can come into our Telegram customer support room. And the address is right here. I've got the mouse pointer. Just type in your web browser or your phone, t.me/iTeraCare USA. And you will find us there. And so that being said, you can also find Rochelle on Telegram as well. If you're connected with her, you would automatically see that when you got the app. Telegram is a free app. You can talk to people all over the world. So now I'm going to go off screen share and go back to a different page and show you the reason for our call today. In the iNetwork, normally there are things called a referral link that Rochelle could send you her referral link, or I could send you a referral link, and then you would be able to purchase where you are with your credit card. Credit cards do work best because this company is headquartered in Asia, in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, okay? And right here is the pop-up saying that right now, they've closed the referral links and that we need to do either wire transfers or PayPal to their corporate PayPal account. And the reason is they had negotiated with Stripe, which is the payment processor that many big companies and businesses like this use to process credit cards. And so they were negotiated in the beginning $100,000 a day in sales, and they have just gone through the roof. And so Stripe shut down the referral links for right now, and they're renegotiating that, and big businesses do that from time to time. So the way that we're doing payments now, and when you are on the homepage of the iNetwork, you would scroll down and you would find your top-up link. Okay, they don't even have them listed right now, so they're actually probably redesigning the website. Normally, they would be right in this area right here. Your first one would be your top-up link, and then the bottom would be your referral link. So that being said, I'm going to go off of screen share one more time so I can go into the PayPal screen and show you how to do this. And you want to go to PayPal, and you would PayPal to Rochelle. And when you do that, you want to make sure you use the friends and family feature. So I am going to accept the cookies, log in, and come back up on screen share so people can see this. And so let's go here, share the screen. And here we go again. Okay, now I want to show you something. Activity. We've been working on building Rochelle's group. And there's the transaction right here, and Joy Centers, okay? And there's no fee right here, okay? PayPal fee. If you do not select send to friends and family, Rochelle is going to get hit with a $10.61 charge, and that is a little difficult. So please select the friends and family feature. And when you go to pay and get paid, you would be able to find that. Here's the send money feature, okay? And you would just find, like right here is where I'm going to send money into Prife International, which is the parent company, iNetwork, to you, okay? So you should be able to find that send to friends and family feature. And when I'm going to go ahead and include this part of the in how you send money to corporate PayPal. But I've got another short video about how to upload the receipt on my Rumble channel. And so I don't feel like I need to double do that, because we try to keep videos short. So when I want to send $700, I would say, what's this payment for? That would be 2 enrollments. I'm going to go username, and then I'm going to go semicolon, and then my username. And then that way, this payment has that what's this payment for information there, and then just hit continue. Then it's going to ask me if I want to use my PayPal balance, and yes, I do. So that being said, we're going to go off screen share, contact Rochelle. Rochelle, do you have anything you want to add?
Sure. I just, PayPal just has made some changes that makes it a lot easier. So before you move to, as soon as you've put in what you are giving, it'll drop down a menu asking if you're giving to friends and family or if it's a business. And so right now we're choosing friends and family, so that none of us are being charged extra fees. And then we are moving it forward to the company. I got my wand within 1 week of doing this with Daniel, and he's been helping me set up my team and keeping it more simplified as we're moving forward, trying to learn the system. But what will happen is if your PayPal account is attached to a credit card, that's a PayPal automatic. They do charge a fee. So if you're choosing to use a credit card, you're going to be charged an extra $10+ dollars. And so it's recommended that your PayPal is connected to a bank account or to a debit. And under those circumstances, you're not getting a fee. So when I'm doing my transactions with him, I am using my bank account. So there's never been any fees attached to that.
Okay, thank you for explaining that, because you helped me understand it better. And this company started last year around this time, from what I understand, in Asia, but it has grown rapidly and it's all over the world now. You can sponsor people anywhere in the world from your account. So that being said, we do have a Rumble training channel with all things iTeraCare. If you go to rumble.com and just type in the word iTeraCare, you'll find the videos there. And there's testimonials, and there's weekly testimonial calls beginning Monday the 11th, because Monday will be July the 4th, a holiday in USA. That's it for now. God bless until the next video, and thank you for your attention. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.